Jason filed a verified petition before the RTC for the allowance of the will of decedent Leticia, naming himself as executor. He alleged that the probable value of the estate was 1 million pesos and paid in full the docket fees assessed by the clerk of court. Lilia, an heir, opposed the petition, arguing that the RTC lacked jurisdiction because the docket fees were insufficient, noting that the estate's tax declarations reflected a total market value of 6.5 million pesos. Decide. The RTC acquired jurisdiction over the probate proceedings. In Boliosos versus Heirs of Aguilar, the Supreme Court reiterated that a court acquires jurisdiction upon payment of the docket fees assessed by the clerk of court, even if the assessment later proves deficient, absent any intent to defraud the government. Fraudulent intent cannot be presumed merely from an insufficient allegation of value in the verified petition. Here, the RTC acquired jurisdiction over Jason's petition, since he paid in full the docket fees assessed by the clerk of court. The discrepancy between this declared value and the higher valuation in the tax declarations does not, by itself, show an intent to defraud the government.